is I'm going to go over a chef's knife from the company PICKWILL, and I got mine in this little kind of box right here. Very nice box, and I've already had it out and looked over it, and I want to show you guys how it's kind of presented. So it's open just like that. You get a little small warranty card right there. We don't need that. A cover, very nicely presented. This would look great as like a gift or something like that. By the way, this is very sharp, everybody. You had this cover on there, but we will not need this right now. I'll set that aside. Now, I've got some fruit here, and I'm going to cut some fruit and show you guys how well this thing cuts. Let me just go over the actual knife itself. It's very nicely balanced. The weight on this thing feels really good in the hand. Very light kind of feel to it. It's kind of that kind of all around top chopping top shape where it's good for about everything. And on the blade it says PICKWILL. It says premium 67 layers of Damascus steel, VG10, 8062, and the hardness, I guess that's 62 hardness level. And let me just show you cutting a piece of paper here. This is always my favorite. Look at that. But I mean, I'm putting no weight at all on that. Watch this. This is just the weight of the knife, everybody. That is clean. That's a clean cut. So this is a sharp blade. I don't have any meat right now that I want to cut up, but I will show you cutting this apple. And everybody lit me up for using a glass cutting board last time, so I'm using my bamboo cutting board right now. Look at that. That is so smooth on cutting up those apples. And if you just want to kind of dice it, look at this. Everybody, I'm not claiming to be an expert on knives or anything like that, but you know what? I know if it's sharp or not, and this is definitely a sharp blade. And it has that kind of Damascus kind of look to it. Now my banana here, watch this. I mean, this is like nothing. If you want to make some banana chips, look at this, everybody. I'm going to eat this, by the way, so I'm not wasting this banana. That is very smooth. So right out of the package, it has a very smooth kind of cutting feel to it. Feels really good in the hands right there. I don't have a case for it, but I am getting one of those magnets for putting knives up on my kitchen wall, so that way I have a good spot for my knives. But I don't see any issues at all with these knives. I've had knives from these guys before, and it's been extremely good. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the PICKWILL, chef's knife. See you all in the next video.